5 seconds to go. Start. Today, we are facing rapid increase in population in many parts of the world. The sudden increase in the number of individuals in a community is often termed as population explosion. In the past 200, 300 years, the world's population has increased tremendously. It is predicted that the human population will increase by 1 billion in the next decade. Population explosion results mainly due to accelerating birth rate, a decrease in infant mortality, and increase in life expectancy. Many people look at the population explosion as a problem or have negative viewpoint about it. However, several people also look at it as a huge opportunity for a nation to achieve its ambitions. It can be said that population growth can be blessing, but when it put the pressure on resources, it becomes bane. India is the second most populated country in the world with nearly a fifth of the world's population. According to the 2011 census report, the population of India is 1.21 crore with 62.37 crore males and 58.64 crores females. The total literacy rate in the country at present is 74.04%. The density of population is 382 persons square kilometer. UN report of the World Population Prospect 2017 revision by Department of Economics and Social Affairs has forecasted that Indian population will surpass the population of China by 2025. Population growth and demography is a multidimensional concept. Hence, many scholars from different fields such as geography, economics, and anthropology have suggested many reasons for the rapid growth of Indian population. While the population explosion can give us many opportunities for development, it also undermines the available resources. This results in the degradation of the quality of living. The quality of an undernourished, poverty stricken, unhealthy, but big society is definitely lower than a smaller but healthy, educated, economically secured, and well employed society. The population can be our strength only when we have resources and power to feed, provide the basic facilities, healthcare, and jobs. This will mold them into an asset, but in reality, we don't have the necessary resources to do this. Therefore, we should make conscious efforts as individuals to put a curb on further population increase. It is the only way through which we can secure better future for upcoming generations. Highlighting the importance of population control, Prime Minister in his Independence Day speech of 2019 equated the family planning as another form of patriotism. Hence, family planning needs to taken as another Jan Andolan by the citizens of the country in order to visualize the dream of making India a global superpower. Full stop.